Hey guys, Jayant Rasmsetti here, founder of Pixeltests. We help professionals and entrepreneurs upskill in generative AI and skyrocket their careers or the business. Now, on this very, very phenomenal day, I love this story about Gandhi, and I wanted to share with each and every one of you. A sannyasi monk, Swami Satyadev, spent a day at Sabarmati ashram and then expressed a wish to stay there. I like the work you do, he told Gandhiji. Gandhiji said he was welcome to stay at the ashram and it was meant for people like him. But added, you will have to put away your saffron robes and dress like the others here. The Swami did not like that. I'm a sannyasi, he protested. I'm not asking you to renounce sannyas, explained Gandhiji. Sannyas is a state of mind. Dress has nothing to do with it. If you wear your ochre robes, here, people will not allow you to do work out of respect for your robes. Instead, they will serve you, and that would be contrary to the principles of this ashram. We are here to serve, not to be served. The Swami thought the matter over and decided to join the ashram. Now, this is very profound. And what is the relevance of this with our AI and blockchain journeys? Well, number one, your current occupation or profession or entrepreneurship is a state of the mind, right? Now, you need to shed that to get to somewhere else. Getting into generative AI or blockchain is a state of mind, and that's the most important. And shedding something, yes, I know it's difficult, but you have to let go of the past for the future. In the spirit of Mahatma Gandhi's teachings, we are reminded that our world is constantly evolving and the window of opportunity is really less. I repeat, the window of opportunity is really less for something outstanding. And this digital age has ushered in a new era where artificial intelligence and blockchain has become a driving force of change. Just as Swami Satyadev embraced change and let go of his saffron robes to serve a greater purpose, we as IT professionals, leaders, must let go of our egos and also adapt. And also let go of our past to adapt. Upskilling in AI or blockchain is not merely about acquiring technical skills. It's about becoming the change makers of the digital age. You can impact perhaps healthcare, retail, pharma, finance, so on and so forth. You can make new discoveries that could change the gamut of the entire human race. By mastering these, we empower ourselves to harness its potential for the betterment of society. I repeat that, betterment of society. We become the architects of innovation, the problem solvers, and the advocates of positive change. Just imagine those principles that Mahatma Gandhi had espoused and riveted over 150 years ago continues to be there in many parts of the world, actually. So many people look up to him. As we commemorate this birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, let us remember this enduring message. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Embrace this opportunity to upskill in generative AI and blockchain. I would request you, if this is something that interests you, please apply to the Pixeltests premium membership. There's an application process. Finish that test. And second, please book a slot on our Calendly so that we can serve you better to your change, to your success. Thank you.